Hey everyone, in today's video, we will demonstrate how to create your own AI animated avatar, a step-by-step guide. This process is user-friendly and entirely free, utilizing online resources, so stay tuned. Before we dive in, if you are interested in staying updated on the latest AI tools and learning how to make the most of them, you are in the right place. Our content focuses on keeping you well informed and provides step-by-step tutorials for harnessing AI tools in today's fast-paced world. Please hit that subscribe button. Your support is vital for us to keep creating valuable content. Now, let's get started. The first step involves creating an AI avatar image. To embark on this creative journey, we will be utilizing the impressive capabilities of a cutting-edge AI image generator known as Leonardo AI. However, there are some essential preparations to ensure a seamless experience. First and foremost, make sure you have a free account set up on the Leonardo AI website. This account grants you 150 credits daily, allowing you to explore and experiment with AI image generation without any financial constraints. If you are new to Leonardo AI and need guidance on navigating its features and unleashing its potential, don't worry. I have created a video tutorial called How to Use Leonardo AI, a Beginner's Guide, to help you get started. I highly recommend checking out this tutorial before proceeding further. It will provide valuable insights into how Leonardo AI functions and ensure you make the most of this incredible tool. Now, let's delve into creating your AI avatar image. One critical aspect to keep in mind is the subject's orientation. For the best results, ensure that your subject faces directly forward, without any tilt or angle. This helps the AI generate a more accurate and visually pleasing avatar. In the prompt box provided by Leonardo AI, you can specify your preferences and desired characteristics for your AI avatar. For example, you can input detailed instructions like a child portrait with a background of flowers. Feel free to tailor your prompt to create your creative vision or requirements. Next, click the Generate button, and Leonardo AI will work its magic to create a unique and captivating avatar image based on your instructions. You will receive a selection of subjects to choose from. You can also use additional features like unzoom to add background space and upscale to enhance image quality. When you are satisfied, download your image. Now, let us move on to the second phase of our project, which involves crafting a compelling voiceover for our avatar. To accomplish this, we will be using the text-to-speech software available on the website 11labs.com. This platform offers a wide range of voices to choose from, allowing you to select the one that best suits your character or subject. Once you have made your choice, simply input the script you want your avatar to deliver. By the way, if you need inspiration or assistance while drafting your script, consider leveraging ChatGPT. It is a remarkable tool designed to help you generate creative and engaging content, brainstorm ideas, refine your messaging, and suggest suitable dialogue for your avatar's voiceover. It is a valuable resource that can significantly enhance your content creation process, making it efficient and effective. Okay? Then hit Generate. As you can hear, it is incredibly realistic. Once you are happy with your voiceover, download it. Moving on to the next phase. Step 3 involves bringing our avatar to life. For this task, we will be utilizing the capabilities of a platform called did.com. To get started, you will need to set up a free account on the website. Once you have done that, navigate to the Create Video section to initiate the process. However, if you are looking for a comprehensive guide on how to use this platform effectively and want a step-by-step walkthrough, I recommend watching a video titled How to Get Started with DID AI Video Generator, a Beginner's Guide. This video will provide you with detailed instructions on creating an account and using the platform to its full potential. It is a valuable resource that can help you make the most of DID AI Video Generator for your project. Now, click Add to upload your avatar image and upload voice audio. to add to your voiceover. Afterward, click Generate Video and hit Generate. Congratulations! Your avatar is officially alive. You can now download the finished clip. Moving on to step number 4, which is entirely optional but can significantly enhance the quality of your content. We will be incorporating captions using a free video editing software called CapCut. Begin by downloading and installing the software, then import your video and place it on the timeline. Next, navigate to the text section and select Auto Captions. Create your captions by clicking on the Captions button and adjust the length of each caption to suit your preferences. To further customize your captions, explore the text settings to stylize your font. Once you are satisfied with the appearance and timing of your captions, proceed to export your final reel. Congratulations! You have now successfully created a viral AI talking avatar, complete with captions. Now, let us see and hear our newly created viral AI talking avatar.
We're pausing for a brief moment to convey our sincere gratitude to all our recent subscribers. Your tremendous support is deeply appreciated, and every click on that subscribe button fills us with joy. It's your encouragement that fuels our passion and motivates us to keep producing captivating content. We're eager to share even more engaging videos down the line. So, with utmost appreciation, thank you for becoming a cherished part of our community. Rest assured, we're committed to putting in extra effort to craft videos that cater to your interests and needs.
So, what are your thoughts on these trending AI-generated talking avatars? Do you find them impressive? Or perhaps you have reservations about them? I am eager to hear your perspective, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights on this topic are greatly appreciated. Once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.